Bridge Intelia presents tips on how to convert internship into a full-time job. Research about the company. Having a proper knowledge about the company leaves a good impression on your superiors. Here's what all you can do. Keep a track about what the company is all about. Jot down important goals and achievements of the firm. While applying for the internship, remember the role and the requirements of the company. Check the company profile on LinkedIn and go through their website thoroughly. Go through their YouTube channel if any. Work hard. As we all know, hard work always pays, so there's no substitute to working hard. Give your 100% to the task that is allotted to you. Set your goals timely and achieve them. Do not limit to the task required. Be creative and think out of the box. But remember, do not mess up with the requirements of the task. Always do as instructed. Ask questions. While discussion, don't just be the thick potato with ears. Always ask questions about the task. Be inquisitive. Clear your doubts if any. Suggest some creative ideas and seek advice before implementing something. Be professional. Do not use too many emojis or sticker while conversation. Use formal language. Talk in the language that is preferred in the firm. Do not talk about a random topic. And do not just act mature, be one. Get to know everyone. Socialize with your team. Remember names of your supervisors and other teammates. Greeting is considered polite and do not spread false rumors. Be punctual. Begin the internship at the allotted time, day and date. Never be late. Complete the assigned task within the given time. Do not give excuses. Give proper time to your internship and be dedicated. Be positive. Have a high morale and motivation. Have a determination to take up new challenges. Keep trying. Keep hustling and never give up. Keep encouraging people around you as well. Be focused to your work. Learn from others. Do not hesitate to learn from your juniors or seniors. Engage and learn new things that never you have heard about. Keep an optimistic nature towards everyone. Do not be biased and be adaptable to changes. Keep in touch. Even after the successful completion of the internship, be in touch with your superiors and other head of departments. Always remember to be polite with them. Never commit any false doings after the completion of the internship. Wish them on occasions and other important days. Showcase your work ethic. Show how excited and determined you are in order to work for them. Use your skills to the most. Work hard and work in discipline. Keep a positive attitude towards your work and your teammates. Do not create nuance. Engage in the discussion. While discussion, don't just be the thick potato with ears. Always ask questions about the task. Engage in any discussion that is happening around and show your interest. Seek advice before implementing something. Pay attention. While discussion, you have to pay attention about each and everything. Your body language plays a very important role in expressing that you are attentive. So keep a track of every little discussion, every little detail that is being told to you. Evaluate and grow. Asking these questions will narrow down your interest and skill set. What did you do best? What did you enjoy doing? What would you like to do more in future? An intern is best served when he or she is aware of their roles and responsibilities. Take proactive steps to evaluate your previous experience and give your best out of it. Make a good impression. We've all heard of first impression is the last impression, so do not ruin that golden chance. Being attentive leaves a good impression. Completing the task on time also leaves a good impression. Be punctual and not make any excuses. Complete the assigned task on time. You wouldn't want to be kicked out of the good side just because you have delayed a task. If you have some issues because of which you are not able to submit on time, talk about it at that very moment rather than giving lame excuses. Be the man of your words. Always abide by the rules. Never break the rules. You might directly be kicked out of the internship. Do the work within the firm's rules and regulations. Obey the orders given and be on time. Seek feedback from your supervisors. The key to learning is feedback. It is impossible to learn anything about it. Once the task is done, seek a valuable feedback from your head or supervisor. Remember the changes told by him or her so that you can make those necessary improvements while doing the next task. It boosts your morale to work more effectively and efficiently. Keep a track of your feedback in order to prevent the similar mistakes. Take initiative. Say goodbye to your introvert self. You must learn to take initiative because if you don't, you won't be picked out in the competitive world. Always be cheerful and ready to take up new challenges that are thrown to you. Never hesitate to speak up. Express your appreciation. Always appreciate and thank the firm for their responsible head who gave the internship to you. You can thank them on various platforms too. Remember to follow these steps while you are doing any internship in any firm and be assured to back the internship into a full-time job. Thank you.